wild instincts, they often appear suddenly, leaving drivers unable to react, leading to heartbreaking collisions. In today's video, we will take you through terrifying moments when animals face cars on the road, captured realistically through a camera lens. Don't forget to click subscribe so we can continue to send you great content like this, helping you drive safer. Let's get started. Which party will be at fault in this accident? The car took off like a rocket. It was disastrous for the sheep. The Jeep was moving at 60 miles per hour, and with the sudden appearance of the moose, a collision a car was trying to overtake when out of nowhere a herd of buffalo charged across the road. The aftermath? Well, the Harley rider had no idea what was waiting for him. But what he didn't, a deer running straight at him. Holy hog. Did anyone count how many times that thing rolled? Lucky for it, the hog walked away like nothing happened. Pitch black night, a car speeding through the darkness. Then suddenly, out of the shadows, an entire herd of than 100 deer surging in the opposite direction, their eyes glowing in the headlights, their silent forms cutting through the night. It's like something out of a nightmare. Texans are reminded not to leave the city at 2 a.m., as that is when feral pigs are most active. On average, there are about 45 such encounters each year. A Tesla collided with a deer,